In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce in WordPress. If you're ready to take your online store to the next level, this guide will walk you through all the essentials. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, setting up WooCommerce to sell your products online is an exciting step. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate over to the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Add New. This is where you'll be able to search for and install new plugins to enhance your website. Type WooCommerce into the search bar. It's one of the most popular e-commerce solutions out there, so it should pop up right away. Once you've found it, click Install Now. This will begin the installation process, which should only take a few moments. Once it's installed, you'll see an option to activate it. Go ahead and click Activate, and WooCommerce will start up for the first time on your website. Now that WooCommerce is activated, it will automatically launch the Setup Wizard. This is a fantastic tool designed to help you configure all the basic settings to get your store up and running smoothly. It simplifies many of the complex decisions you might otherwise have to make as a new store owner. First, you'll need to enter your store details. This includes your address, the currency you want to use, and the types of products you'll be selling. Be as detailed as possible, because these initial settings can make a big difference in how automatically things are configured later on. Next, it's time to select your payment methods. WooCommerce supports various payment gateways, such as PayPal, Stripe, and even cash on delivery. Choose the methods that are most convenient for you and your customers. Many users find that offering more than one payment option can improve customer satisfaction and boost sales. Moving on, you'll set up your shipping settings. This section asks you to add shipping zones and rates. Consider where you'll be shipping your products and what kind of shipping rates are fair and competitive. You might need to do a bit of research to find out what other stores in your niche are charging. As you progress through the wizard, you'll come across recommendations for additional plugins. These plugins can extend the functionality of your store and help with things like SEO, security, and performance, but remember, they're optional. You can decide which, if any, you want to install right now. Lastly, you'll be prompted on whether you want to change your current theme or stick with it. WooCommerce works best with certain themes designed for an optimal e-commerce experience. So if you don't have one in mind, consider selecting a WooCommerce-friendly theme that complements your brand. And that's it for the initial setup. With these steps, you've laid a solid foundation for your online store. This setup will make managing your store much easier as you grow and expand. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with your new e-commerce venture.